Hey guys, this is Demi, and it's the time of the year again for this year's Spotify Wrap, where Spotify will show you a rundown of what you listen to for the whole year. And here's how to do it. Once you open the app, this will appear. Click Find Out. Tap on this Your 2020 Wrap. It will show as a story sequence like on Instagram. Yep, lightning lights for the win. But Fall Out Boy is still my top artist. If you go back to the homepage, you can see it again. Just tap this 2020 wrap. And of course, you can share it. There's another option if you're unable to see that on your Spotify app. Go to this link 2020.byspotify.com. Tap on it and it will go directly to the app. So there you have it. You have a rundown for your 2020. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one.